Most creators and entrepreneurs start out working too hard for every dollar. You coach, consult, post, and hustle constantly, but it still feels like you're trading time for income. The dream is to wake up and see new sales notifications, to have your work making money while you sleep. That's not luck, that's leverage. You can create it through scalable products, digital assets that work 24/7 so you don't have to. Step 1, shift from labor to leverage. Before you can create scalable products, shift your mindset. You're not just a service provider, you're a problem solver. When you solve a problem once in a repeatable way, you can turn it into an asset. Instead of charging for your time, package your process or system into something that delivers results without you being there. Step 2, choose your scalable format. There are endless ways to scale your knowledge, but most fall into 3 categories. Digital products like ebooks, templates, and toolkits. Online courses for deeper transformations that guide people step by step. Memberships or subscriptions for continuous value and community. Start with the one that fits where you are now. Step 3, build around results, not features. The biggest mistake creators make is building products around content instead of outcomes. People don't want more information, they want transformation. Before you create anything, ask, what result will this help someone achieve? If your product delivers a clear, visible result, it will sell because it solves a real problem. Step 4, simplify, don't overbuild. Your first scalable product doesn't have to be perfect. You don't need a huge setup or expensive software. You just need clarity. Start lean, record on your phone, write in Google Docs. Launch messy and improve as you go. Perfection delays profit. Clarity creates momentum. Step 5, automate the selling. Once your product works, set up systems that let it sell itself. Create evergreen content that leads to your offer. Use email funnels to nurture leads automatically. Set up checkout systems that deliver products instantly. Automation means your audience can buy when they're ready, not just when you're available. Step 6, build in social proof and trust. Scalable doesn't mean impersonal. People still buy from people. Use testimonials, stories, and results to show that your product works. Trust turns passive systems into consistent sales. Step 7, scale the impact, not the effort. Once your first product works, don't rush to make more. Optimize what's already selling, add value, improve delivery, and grow your reach. Scalability isn't about doing more. It's about making what you've done go further. You can't scale your effort, but you can scale your impact. When you turn your expertise into digital assets that deliver results on autopilot, your business becomes limitless. You'll stop chasing clients and start attracting buyers. You'll stop running out of hours and start creating freedom. Scalable products aren't just about making money while you sleep. They're about building something that keeps serving while you live.